Hi guys, this is Demi again with another edition of the Baking Masterclass. Okay, so if you haven't seen the previous ones of this class, you should check the description box below, or you should click on the card above. It says click on me. Today we're going to be talking about 4 reasons why customers want discounts. Yes. Have you ever been chatting with a customer and before you even said your price, he or she is already asking for a discount? You haven't even said how much your services or the product is worth, yet they already want a discount? Yes, I'm sure you can relate. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about 4 reasons why they want discounts and why they deserve to ask for discounts if they really want one. Yeah? Okay. So I know that being constantly asked for discounts can be really frustrating, because it can be really annoying regardless of your price, because people ask for discounts without even knowing the price first, and it can be really annoying for business owners because it leaves you questioning if your services are really worth it, or if maybe your customers do not think your services are worth it, or maybe you're not doing enough, or maybe you should do more. It leaves you questioning the worth of your goods and services, basically. So it's a slippery slope. Yet again, you want to think about pleasing your customers and doing the best for them without them thinking maybe you do not care about them. So, but before we start, I'd like to point out the fact that customers have the right to represent their interest, regardless of how it makes you feel as a business owner, because they are paying their hard-earned money, and usually it is not about you. Believe me. So today I'm going to tell you 4 reasons why customers ask for discounts. And the first reason is the fact that they just can't afford it. Sometimes your services might even be the cheapest, but they just don't have the money to pay for it, which is not your fault. It's not their fault either, because most people are on a budget and do not want to spend more than they budgeted for a thing. Sometimes they have the money to pay for it, they just do not want to spend that much on this kind of services you provide. I don't know if you understand. So it's not always about you. Number 2, it is a cultural thing. If you are Nigerian, you probably understand what I'm talking about. Nigerians ask for discounts before they even know the price. They already want a discount before they even know the price. You're already thinking, okay, how can I price this down? So it's not about you. Don't feel bad. It's a cultural thing sometimes. So number 3, maybe your customers do not think your services are worth it, to be honest, and you have to be able to sit down and have a honest conversation with yourself. Maybe your your services are not worth it, or they don't think it is. Maybe you think it's worth it, but they do not think it's worth it. But it is not about what you think. They have to think it's worth it for them to pay good money for it. I don't know if you understand. So I need you to sit down and think about the actual worth of your services, if they are truly not overpriced and the price point is perfect for your consumers. So lastly, guys, maybe your competitors are simply offering your customers better prices. Yes, this can be like a double-edged sword in the baking business, because you're not getting the same thing from 2 baking businesses. I don't know if you understand, because they have different level of skills usually. So I want you to sit down and think about it. Is it worth it to reduce your price to match your competitors, or do you think your services are good enough for them to splurge a little bit more? If you think so, this totally depends on you, regardless of what your competitor is charging. So you shouldn't let this bother you too much. So thank you guys, and I hope you enjoy this edition, because it took time for me to put this together for you guys. And in our next class, we're going to be talking about should you give discounts or not, and I'm sure you're not going to want to miss that. So follow me on Instagram, _CAKEMEAWAY, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have almost 120 YouTube videos on YouTube. I think over 120. Thank you guys. Bye.